Good morning, students of class 9. Today we will start new exercise 7b in the chapter lines and angles. So let us see what are the next other sums. So today we will take up one important sum, that is sum number 14. So I am just reading the sum number 14 from R.S. Agarwal book. In the given figure, the two lines AB and CD. There are two given lines, see the diagram. AB and CD intersect at a point O. So point of intersection is O, such that angle BOC, value of BOC angle is given 125 degree. Okay, find the value of X, Y and Z. So these three angles X, Y and Z, what will be the value? So let us see the solution. Here is the given diagram, and as told in the question that there are two lines, this AB and CD, both are intersecting at the point of intersection O, and this angle is also given, angle BOC or COB, whatever, it is 125 degree. Okay, so you have to find the value of X, Y and Z, these three angles. One angle is given here 125 degree. How will you find the values of other angles X, Y, Z? See here, these two lines are intersecting at O, so vertical opposite angle will be equal. So for the angle this COB, which angle is the vertical opposite angle? See here, this Y is just vertically opposite. It means the value of Y is 125 degree. That's why here I have started given angle BOC equal to 125. This is given in the question. Then here Y equal to angle AOD. AOD is equal to Y, equal to 125, equal to 125, because here is the region given here, vertical opposite angle. You have to write the regions. Without region you will not get marks. Also Y plus Z. Now see here, this is the straight line AB. So here is at O, what will be the angle? A straight angle equal to 180 degree. So the value of a straight angle is 180, means this straight angle is made by which? Y and Z, both Y plus Z. Okay, so that's why I have written here Y plus Z equal to 180 degree. Now put the value of either Y, because we know this Y equal to 125. So here Z equal to shifting Y that side, 180 minus Y. So 180 minus Y means 180 minus 125. This will give you, after subtraction you will get 55 degree. So value of Z equal to 55 degree. Now coming to the X. Now see here X. Now you know the value of Z. Z is 55 degree. And you see, just opposite to the Z is X. Means X is a vertical opposite angle of Z. Okay. So what will happen here? X equal to Z equal to 55. That is vertical opposite angle. So X equal to 55, Y equal to 125 and Z equal to 55 degree. This is the answer of all the three angles X, Y, Z. Okay. Now coming to the next sum. See the sum number 2. So here is the sum number 2. In the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line See the figure, AOB is a straight line. There it is given also here diagram. AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Here you have to find the value of x. Find the value of x, hence find. And after finding the value of x, then you have to also find angle AOC and the value of angle BOD. Okay, this is all about the question. See here, this is the given diagram, and in diagram this value of angle BOD is given here x plus 20 degree, and this side of one angle is AOC, its value is given here 3x minus 7. But what is the exact value of these two angles? We don't know. Why? Because we don't know the value of x. So first of all we will calculate the value of x, then only we can do the exact value of these two angles which is asked. So we know that this AOC, this angle, value of this angle, and also BOD, these two angles are asked. So after knowing the value of x, we will calculate this. So we know that angle AOC, see the diagram, AOC, this angle, plus COD, this angle, plus BOD, this angle, 1, 2, 3. In this straight line AB, upper side of the straight line AB, there are three angles, this, first, second, third. Adding all the three, the value of a straight angle is here at O. What will be the total straight angle? Value of a straight angle will be 180. So summing all these three angles, first, second, third, you will get angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. A straight value of the straight angle. Now put the value. AOC is given here 3x minus 7 plus COD is given 55 COD, and third one is this BOD value is x plus 20 degree. So this all are equal to 180 degree. So here it is 180 degree. Now see here, 3x plus x, it will give you 4x. Okay, then here 180 is already here, so it is there, and all the numerical values I am shifting right side. Okay, so here 55 plus becomes it is minus 55, this 20 minus 20 plus 20, and minus 7 changes to plus 7, shifting all the numerical values right side. What you will get here, 4x equal to this, doing the board mass, it is 105 plus 7, that is 112. Okay, so x will be 112 by 4, that is 28 degree. The value of x is 28. But in the question they are asking find the value of AOC and BOD. So here AOC equal to 3x minus 7. Put the value of x here. So 3 into a value of x 28 minus 7. It is giving 77. Solving this, multiply 28 by 3 and minus 7. So 84 minus 7, that is 77. And here angle BOD equal to x plus 20. See here, x plus 20. So 28 plus 20, that is 48 degree. So this is the answer for both the angles, 77 and 48 degree. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Here is your assignment, exercise 7B. Please complete it. Okay, bye.